From the get-go. If we say that something has been true or has been a certain way from the get-go, we're saying that this thing has been true or it has been this way since it started, since the beginning. So let's look at some examples of this.
Junebug was adorable from the get-go. From day one, she was cute. Alex loved the book from the get-go. He loved it from the very first page. He was hooked. This plant has struggled from the get-go. He has looked unhealthy from the beginning.
All right, I hope that this lesson was clear from the get-go. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you soon.